So do you also want that whenever you send any message on your Telegram group, same should be shared on your Discord server? Then you are on the right video. So the main pain point was I share market news on my Telegram group and I wanted to share the same on the Discord server too. But there was a pain point of copy pasting the details. This was very time consuming. So to solve this problem, I have created this amazing automation. And in this video, I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation. But before we see how this automation can be created, let's see how this automation is going to work. So for that, you just have to post a message on this Telegram. So as you can see, I've sent this new message on my Telegram group, which is Indian market closing update, and the same message is shared on my Discord server to Indian market closing update. Within seconds and in real time, this message was sent. I'll just show you once again. Let's post a simple test message, and within seconds this message will be sent on Discord. So this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we are going to create in today's video. So let's see how this automation can be created. For that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of Telegram message to Discord for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is RITYT. Don't forget to check it out if you like Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Telegram bot. So let's search for Telegram bot and select it. For the event, select it as set webhook/watch updates and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect, then click on this, select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, just open your Telegram account, search for bot father. So search for bot father and select the same right over here. You have to make sure that this is the same icon which is appearing. Now click on the start button. Once you click on the start button, a message something like this will be sent towards you. Now click on this /new bot. That is saying, all right, a new bot, but how are we going to call it? So I want to call this bot as market updates. Okay, now let's just send this. Now it is saying good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. So I want the username to be market_updates_bot. So it is very important that you mention _bot at the end, otherwise the bot username will not be accepted. Now it is saying sorry, this username is already taken. So if you also find some issue, you can just change the username. Okay, so let's just add my Toots company name right over here, which is Toots market update Toots_bot. So let's just send this and this bot is created. Over, you're going to see that this is the API token. So let's just copy and paste this API token right over here. Then click on the save and your Telegram bot account is connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, what you have to do is you have to make sure that this bot is added in your group. First of all, as you can see that it is connected over here. Now let's add this bot in our group. Okay, so let's just copy the username, open our group and go towards the members. Now click on this add member button and add the same bot right over here in this group. After you add this member, you have to go on this edit administrators and simply promote the same bot as the admin. Okay, so click on this add new and search for the same bot usernames and select it as admin. Click on this tick and promote this bot as the admin. So we have successfully promoted this bot as the admin right over here. After this, what we have to do is we simply have to go back towards our workflow and click on this save and send test request. So let's click on this save and send test request. It is saying waiting for webhook response. So we have to post a message on our Telegram. So let's say I am going to post the same message over here. So I'm going to copy and send this message. After we send this message, let's open our workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. This is the same message and we're going to post it on our Discord. Okay, so let's just close this. So I regularly share stock market updates on my Telegram group. For that, I am creating this amazing automation that I don't have to share the updates manually on all these servers. Okay, so now let's just click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Discord and select Discord right over here. For the event, you have to select it as send channel message. You have two options, HTML and Markdown. So you have to select this according to your own choice. I am going to keep it as Markdown and click on this connect. It is asking for the webhook URL, so just open your Discord. Now what you have to do is, first of all, you have to go towards this server name and then server settings. Now from the left hand of the side, go on this integrations and then webhooks. Now click on this new webhook button. A webhook name something like this will appear in front of you. Open it and name your webhook. So let's say I am going to name this webhook as market updates, and then for the channel I'm going to select the same channel in which I want to send the message, which is market updates. I am going to copy this webhook URL and click on this save changes. After this, just open your workflow and paste the webhook URL. For the message, let's enter the same message which we received from Telegram. But over here is a hack that we are not going to copy paste the message or enter it manually like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So you have to put a slash and then simply map the message which we sent on Telegram. Now it is saying bot name and bot icon. So if you want, you can definitely enter it right over here. Same goes for the text to speech. I am going to keep it as disable. Now click on this save and send test request. Now you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully created this automation and send the message on our Discord. So we are going to open our Discord and go back, and as you can see, this message is sent right over here. Not only this, but now whenever we're going to send a new message on our Telegram, within seconds the same message will be shared on our Discord too. So my two workflows are on, that's why this message was sent 2 times. Okay, so now with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. I created this automation to share market updates. You can create this automation to share team updates, sales update, or much more. It totally depends upon you which message you want to send. You can just use this automation, and the best part is that you can try this for free today. So go and try this amazing automation today, because right now we're offering a free trial, as I already told you. Okay, and while trying, if you have any doubts, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL is attached in the description box below. Further, if you like the video, don't forget to like and also comment on the video if you have any doubts. Share the video with the ones you think that this will be helpful for them too. You can share it with them. And further, if you like our videos, we have many more automation tutorials on our YouTube channel, so you can subscribe our YouTube channel to check out those too further. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.